Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to turn off active status on Instagram. First, tap your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click the three lines in the top right corner. Click Settings. In the settings, tap the search box and search Activity Status. Click on Activity Status. Then you will see two main options: Show Activity Status and Show when you're active together. Just click on the right side to turn it off. And that's it. You just turned off active status on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, bye bye.